What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a photo within your text in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open your image up. So open up Photoshop, go File, Open, and then look for your image that you want to put inside the text. Mine is this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and press Open. Unlock the layer, and then you want to just write your text in, Gystic, and then we can resize the text by going Control T or going, make sure the layer is selected and go Edit, Transform, and then you can pick Scale, or you can just press Control T and then you can scale it to whatever you like. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So now that we've got the background and the text, what we need to do is I'm going to rename the layer by double clicking, just typing what you want to rename the layer. You want to drag it above the text layer. After you've got the background above the text, what you want to do is go Layer and then go down to Create Clipping Mask, or press Alt Control G and just click on it. And there you go. You now have your image within your text. So yeah, that is how you add an image inside text in Photoshop. And then to save your image, go File, Save, and then you can save it as a PSD or a PNG, JPEG, whatever, and then just name it whatever, and then press Save. And then you have your text with the background inside it. So that is it from me. If this video did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you need help, please leave a comment below. That is it from me. Peace out.